Hi, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm Tina. If this is the first time you are stopping in, welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. I have a huge box here to share with you from Erin Condren. Now, I am an affiliate of Erin Condren. They just had their huge launch, and as an affiliate, we do have the opportunity to apply to see if we can get any of the product. So of course I did apply for it. I was not chosen this time, but I completely understand. And, you know, regardless, I was going to be purchasing the items. I was really excited about it. And they have so many different things for their affiliates. They really just treat us so incredibly well. With just keeping us very informed and having a continuing ongoing conversation that I really, really appreciate. I just feel like the doors are always open and you can, you know, ask them any questions and things like that. So for that, I'm so grateful. And I really, you know, have met a lot of just wonderful people through this affiliate program. And they are constantly giving us like fun challenges to do. I went ahead and entered. It was a challenge for a TikTok for the EC launch day, and I will go ahead and post the video up here. I don't have any of the music to go along with it because of the copyright issues. I don't want this particular video to be pulled or anything like that or go on a warning. So anyway, oh my gosh, I'm talking too much, but I'm so excited because I won. There were two winners. They were randomly chosen and I was one of them. And I'm so incredibly excited because I was given an option to choose what I would like to get. So I do kind of know what's in here and I gotta share it with you. Like it's like this box is just like it's busting at the seams. It's so exciting. Okay, so I'm done talking. I'm sorry, sometimes I talk a lot, but I'm just really very grateful. And I wanted to make sure that I didn't get too far ahead of myself and make sure that I went ahead and said thank you so much to Erin Condren. And I am so excited. Okay, I feel like I need a drum roll or something here. All right, let's go ahead and let's do it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, is it gonna fit? Is it gonna fit? Yes, it's gonna fit. Oh. Okay, this is such a huge box. It's like I barely got it situated for my like regular filming section. Okay, so when I won, I was by myself and I was like, oh my God, I won. I was so excited. I'm like sitting in my kitchen and then they reached out to me and, you know, asked me what, you know, to choose from. And I had completely forgotten that I also won the Weekender bag. Oh my gosh. I'm so excited. I'm going to put a picture of it up here so that way you could see it because this thing is huge. And that is what is sitting right on top. I wanted the black one. I'm going to go ahead. Oh my God, look at everything that's in here. Oh my God, I had no idea. Oh my God. Okay, so I got ahead of myself, but I'm gonna like look at this more in detail. I'll probably end up doing like an Instagram reel for that. And which is actually what we did was the reels and the contest. And oh my God, there's so much. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. I'm so excited. So, all right, there's a lot. I think I'm just gonna pull it out and share it with you like this. And then I will do separate videos like going through all of the products because it's kind of a lot and I am so incredibly excited. So they sent me a folio. I decided to choose Inspire. There was a combination. So I got the Inspire and then the Wildflowers. And oh my gosh, so I got a folio. I'm not sure. Oh, this is for the A5. That's exactly what I wanted. Oh my God, it's so pretty. Okay, so there's that one. Oh, there's stickers in here. So there's all kinds of accessories. These snap and pocket dashboards. Awesome. Oh my God, here it is. Wow. Oh my God. I mean, honestly, I usually like things a little bit more subdued, but I love the way that this Inspire looked. And I was contemplating getting at least the cover, but this is stunning. I mean, it is stunning. Like, honestly, like seeing it in person, wow. And I'm sure you've seen like a lot of the flip throughs and all of that, but oh, it's gorgeous. This is a collaboration with Etta V, and oh my God, it's beautiful. I cannot wait to like just like dive into this, and I'll be doing a separate video definitely sharing all this with you, but in, you know, in more detail. And this colorful coil, wow, I need to breathe. Okay, so there's the Planny Pack and Inspire. Oh my God, this is so exciting. There's the sticker book. Oh my gosh. It is the Petite Planner, the monthly planner. I love Petite Planners. Oh my God, this is amazing. I didn't get any of this stuff. I placed an order that I did an unboxing, and that's going to go up. That's already up. But most of all the accessories I got from that is the wildflowers. So look at, there's washi. I got the washi. So I got like all of these accessories to coordinate with Inspire. Oh my gosh. And then look at this, the accordion bag. Okay, I'm going to open this up because, oh my God. All right. I don't have one of these, and I have been like, ooh, that's kind of nice. I've been like, oh, I don't know about it. You know what I mean? Like, I don't know if I would find it useful. And it's a canvas material. Oh, it's really nice. Okay, let's keep looking. Oh my gosh, there's so much. Magnetic to-do list dashboard. That's pretty cool. That's got some heft to it though. All right, the mini snap-in bookmark. Love those. Everything is going to coordinate. And oh my gosh, the snap-in dashboards. That is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Oh, there's the pen. I got the pen in the wildflowers. I ordered that. So make sure you check out that unboxing. Oh my gosh, the pens. This is awesome. This is awesome. The dual tip markers and chisel tip highlighters. So there's 12 of them in the Inspire color scheme. All right, and then so I got 2 life planners. I got in the Inspire, which I got all the accessories to coordinate with it, and then I got wildflowers for the daily. Oh my gosh. Now I wonder when this starts. I don't even know. It starts July. Oh my goodness. Wow. 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 All right, I'm going to get rid of this box, and I'm going to look at things a little bit more closely. I'll be right back. All right, I have everything out of the box. This is so incredibly generous for a prize. Thank you so much to Tori and Rona and Samantha for all of the hard work that you do. You ladies are always like there to answer questions for us and giving us these fun challenges and just these fun different contests that we're able to go ahead and enter. It's just a lot of fun. I love being part of all of the energy. The launch has been amazing. There is so much here. I will definitely be doing separate videos or shorts or Instagram reels sharing all of this beautiful product with all of you. Just a couple things. The Daily Duo, I got that in the wildflowers, and it's beautiful. I love it. I do have an order of my unboxing, and it's primarily wildflowers. Like, I now have a little bit of everything. This monthly petite planner is so beautiful. That purple from the Inspire is just, I love it. Oh my gosh. So it is so pretty. And the monthly planner, look at that beautiful lavender in there. This runs from July of 2023. So in just a couple of months, it will start, and it will go in and cover the entire year of 2024. So it is a monthly. It's for the Petite Planner system. So if you have been following me, then you've seen that I do love that system very much. So I think that this is going to be perfect. And I love that there's these beautiful colors on the top because you don't have to worry about adding any stickers or anything to it. Just you can open it up and have this beautiful planner already ready for you. So if you're like somebody that doesn't like the idea of adding stickers, or you just feel maybe overwhelmed by it, or, you know, it's just not your thing, whatever the situation may be, you know, the Inspire collection, you know, is perfect because it's already decorated for you. Look at that. It's already beautifully designed. And then that's like the first half of it. And then the rest are all line notes. And then you get these pages, one page of stickers in the back. There's a little folder in the back, which is always nice. And then there's an overview here of 2025. Oh my gosh, I can't even say that, 2025. So that is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is just, even by itself, you don't even need to put it into a folio. This just by itself is a perfect little like travel planner that you can throw in your bag very easily. I love this size, and this is just beautiful. Look at the stitching on there. So pretty. The stickers here for Inspire. This is a sticker book. They redesigned the sticker book a little bit here. So it flips open this way as opposed to like a book would. So it's just a little bit different design. But these items, I kid you not, I had them. Oh, that's stunning. I had these on my wish list. And yeah, because I love the colors. Like, I am so drawn in by these beautiful bright colors. It's generally not my aesthetic at all. Like, if you've been following me for a while, you know that this is more of like what I like, something like soft and florals. I love the florals, but I can't help but love this beautiful color. So since I had the option, I decided, you know what, I would like the Inspire because yeah, I think it's just stunning. And then the planner is a life planner, and I will do a separate video, like I said, but just to kind of give you a little bit of a quick peek at it. You can have it customized, and they just put on here, "You are enough." And this one comes with the detailing of the, like, it's like a coppery foil. It's just stunning. And it's going to start in July. So I have some options. We'll see what happens, what I end up using for the remainder of 2023. So be on the lookout for additional videos of, you know, I'll definitely do some pen tests and do some accessory sharing and some flip throughs of these, and that way you could get some more detail on it. And of course, I have to share that weekender bag with you. So I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing. I really had fun sharing this with you. I love sharing all of the things that I get with you because you understand the excitement of all of the planner items. And I just love this community because we have this connection no matter like where you're from. You love stationery the way that I love stationery. So it's just really, really fun to share all of it with you. And I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell when you do, and drop a comment down below. Let me know if you got anything from the launch, if you're going to get anything from the launch, and if you are going to get anything from the launch, I am, of course, an affiliate. So please, I appreciate if you use my affiliate link, and that is down below in the description. Thank you so much for joining me in this really, really exciting unboxing of this beautiful gift. Thank you so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.